A group of friends are sitting in an arrangement, one each at the corner of an octagonal table and all facing the center. Mayuri is sitting diagonally opposite to Joseph, who is sitting on Swati's right. Rakesh is next to Swati and opposite Ibrahim, who is on Kumar's left. Tapasya is not on Mayuri's right, but opposite Vanessa, who is sitting on Vanessa's right. Correct answer is option B, Rakesh. Kaplan is 3 years older than his wife, Miriam, and 4 times as old as his son, Sigmund. If Sigmund becomes 15 years old after 3 years, what is the present age of Miriam? Correct answer is option D, 45 years. Identify the correctly spelled word. Correct answer is option C, circumference. It is the outer boundary of a figure or area. For the detectives, clues available at a crime scene are. Correct answer is option B, circumstantial. Which of the given responses would be a meaningful order of the following words in context of our society? Correct answer is option A. In a parliamentary form of government, real powers of the state are vested in the. Correct answer is option C, Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. At which site of excavation was the status of a bearded man found? Correct answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. The main characteristic of the Indus Valley civilization was. Correct answer is option A, town planning. Which of the following organs is used in the purification of blood in human body? Correct answer is option B, kidney. The largest continent in the world is. Correct answer is option C, Asia. Pacemaker is implanted in heart when one of the following is defective. Correct answer is option A, SA node. Liquefied petroleum gas is mainly a mixture of. Correct answer is option A, propane and butane. Who initiated the Home Rule movement in India? Correct answer is option C, Annie Besant. In which of the following countries in the Temple of Priya Vihir are UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Correct answer is option C, Cambodia. Possible question: which northeastern site was inscribed as India's 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is Charaideo Moidams, mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty. Gautam Buddha had attained enlightenment or Buddhahood in the present area of. Correct answer is option A, Bodh Gaya in Bihar in India. The heart is covered by a membrane called. Correct answer is option D, pericardium. The Periyar Game Sanctuary is renowned for. Correct answer is option D, wild elephants. Possible questions: Gir National Park is in Gujarat, Kanha National Park is in Madhya Pradesh, Nubra Valley is in Ladakh. Which of the following components of blood protects human beings from infection? Correct answer is option D, white blood cells, that is leukocytes. What is Kalaripayattu? Correct answer is option A. It is an ancient martial art and a living tradition in some parts of South India. Dakshin Gangotri is located in. Correct answer is option D. Antarctica. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Consider the following statements regarding blood pressure. Correct answer is option D. All of them are correct. Possible questions. What is considered the normal range of blood pressure in a healthy adult? 120 by 80. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Which is the world's longest railway line? Correct answer is option A. Trans-Siberian Line. The UNESCO Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Education for Peace and Sustainable Development is presently housed in the first floor of ICSSR building at. Correct answer is option A. New Delhi. The longest day in Australia is. Correct answer is option B. 22nd December. Possible questions. The longest day in the Northern Hemisphere occurs on 21st June. The shortest day in the Northern Hemisphere is observed on 21st December. The summer solstice in the Northern Hemisphere falls on 21st June. The winter solstice in the Northern Hemisphere is observed on 21st December. On which date does the vernal equinox occur in the Northern Hemisphere? 21st March. During Rig Vedic age, the normal form of government was. Correct answer is option C. Monarchy. During the Gupta period of ancient India, administration was. Correct answer is option C. Monarchical. Possible questions. Which assembly in the Rig Vedic period was considered more democratic and represented the voice of the people? Samiti. Which Vedic assembly acted more like a council of elders or advisors to the king? Sabha. The Mughal Empire extended up to Tamil territory in the south under the reign of. Correct answer is option C. Aurangzeb. The Grand Trunk Road, which ran from the Indus to Sonargaon in Bangladesh, was renovated in the medieval times of. Option C. Sher Shah. Which of the following institutions was not founded by Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option C. Vishwa Bharati. Which of the following factors influenced the British to transfer power to the Indians? Correct answer is option D. The Second World War had weakened Britain economically and politically. Of the following, whose ideas had influenced Mahatma Gandhi's thought? Correct answer is option B. Tolstoy. Who marched with the slogan Dilli Chalo? Correct answer is option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Under which article of Constitution Jammu and Kashmir thus enjoys special constitutional position? Correct answer is option A. Article 370. Instrument used to detect earthquake is known as. Option A. Seismometer. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? Correct answer is option D, Aral Sea. Great Barrier Reef is near of. Correct answer is option A, Australia. Selva Amazonica are. Correct answer is option D, Equatorial Rainforest of Brazil. The Channel Tunnel or Channel connects. Correct answer is option C, England and France. Which of the following is astronomically correct with respect to Great Bear? Correct answer is option D, constellation. The difference between asteroids and comets are given in 3 sentences. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Correct answer is option B, sentences 1 and 3 only. The speed of rotation of the Earth is the highest along the equator. Rana Pratap Sagar plant, Rajasthan, is associated with. Correct answer is option B, nuclear power. Which state is the largest producer of onion in India? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Japanese iron and steel industry is an example of industry based on. Correct answer is option D, export of value-added imported raw material. Which country is the largest exporter of coal? Correct answer is option B, Australia. Largest producer of paper pulp is. Correct answer is option C, China. Which of the following national parks is situated in Gujarat? Correct answer is option B, Gir National Park. Possible questions: Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Kanha National Park is in Madhya Pradesh. In which one of the following areas in Chipko movement in India was started first of all? Correct answer is option A, Garhwal area of Uttarakhand, which was the part of Uttar Pradesh.